Congratulations, you've been officially nominated to be part of the first group of student workers going through the BIC Manufacturing Academy. This is a historical program. So I'm going to talk to you about timing, content, and takeaways. Okay? Timing. We've heard that you don't want to do this during dinner time. So 6 to 8 every Tuesday for 6 weeks, a break for 2 weeks, 6 weeks, a break for 2 weeks, and then the final 6 weeks before your final presentation. That's the commitment. On Thursdays, it's a 75-minute commitment, and that's around human skills, self-leadership, problem solving, communication. 75 minutes, it's a little shorter than Tuesdays, also after dinner. We're also going to be giving you a bonus. We're going to pay for your gas. We're going to give you a weekly gas card to ensure that you don't have to pay anything for the fuel to get here. Number 2, content. You're going to receive access to people and conversations that you normally wouldn't have access to. Okay, these are world-class instructors, guides, and coaches around technology and your industry. And they're going to be shepherding in content, technologies, and illustrating cases of technologies impacting firms. So you're going to have conversations that you wouldn't have, and you're going to have technology exposure that you normally wouldn't have. Number 3, wow, you're going to get digital tools. Everything that you do, hear, and say of significance is being captured by our media group. And the media group is then uploading all of the content for you in little packets so that once you leave, you can still have access through our LMS. You can still have access through the BIC LMS to the content that you think is important. So when you go back to your shop, your firm, your role, the learning stays with you. That's what you're going to get. So congratulations on being nominated to a historical program. We can't wait to see you here.